Hey guys, I'm so happy because today I got my 2K or Wi-Fi camera. And now we got the camera. Look. Really like that. They got a good size. So let's see how we can connect it in our phone. The first thing to use this amazing camera in our phone, we have to download the app. So we're gonna use the QR that is behind the box on the instructions. Then we're gonna create an account. Then we're gonna add a new device, and I'm gonna follow all the steps that you're gonna see in this amazing video. So it's simple, it's super easy to install. So it's just follow the step by step, and they're gonna show you with images how to install the camera in our device. As remember, they got good features. They got night vision. They got sensors for the movements, so no matter if a human or pet, they got a motion sensor. You can add memory if you want, or you can talk through your phone. They make alerts. They send you alerts to your phone when somebody pass in front of the cameras. I really like that. It's easy. The installation is pretty easy. You can use it at home. You can put in your patio. You can put in front of your apartment or at your house. If you see the video, I use it to monitoring my baby. Or I put the camera on my bed to monitoring when she's sleeping. I can talk through the phone, and I get alerts when she's awake. So I'm super happy with this product. Once again, I really recommend it.